Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be making bean and cheese burritos. So let's get this going, and what you're going to need for this is 2 cans of refried beans. We're going to need a cup of Chucky Salsa. You can get your favorite salsa or your homemade salsa if you like. A half of an onion chopped up, and a teaspoon of smoked paprika, teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of ground cumin, and 2 cups of a Mexican blend or Fiesta blend cheese, or you can mix any kind of cheese you'd like to. And then we're going to do 8 burrito size tortillas. So I believe these are 8-inch, but could be wrong on that. Alright, well, but it's burrito size. So let's get this going, see how it all turns out, and enjoy it later. So here we go, guys. Okay guys, so what we're going to need to do is a little bit of prep work first. So I got the electric frying pan here turned on. That's for the tortillas, to warm them up. And then I also got the oven preheating 375, and then I got a baking pan with the paper for the burritos to put in the oven. Okay, so that is our prep work, guys. And so first thing we're going to do to finish up our prep work, or the last thing we're going to do, is cut up this onion. You're going to need about, like I said, about half of an onion. So let's go ahead and get this cut up. Go ahead. Alright guys, so we'll just give this a good cut up, dice it up real good. Alright, let's get this last one here. Alright, so now we're going to start to put things together, and the first thing we're going to do in our medium mixing bowl is put in our refried beans. 2 cans of the refried beans. Well, there we go. Alright, it wanted to stick in there. Okay. So, and we're gonna break that up a little bit. With our serving spoon. Next we're going to put it in the oven, onions. Our cup of salsa, get it in there. Okay guys, now our smoked paprika. And the garlic powder, and then the ground cumin. Get that all in there. That'll be good. Alright guys, now we'll just give this a good mix. Get it all mixed in real good. And this is going to taste real good with all that different flavor going on in there. Just make sure we get it good mixed in there so everything is evenly mixed. Alright guys, there we go, that's good mixed. So we'll take our cheese, make sure it's open, and our tortillas, and get that bag open. Alright, now let's get the get our tray here, baking sheet open. Okay, now first thing we're going to do is going to heat up our burrito, or burrito sized tortillas. This will make it a little bit more pliable for everything. Alright. Alright, that's warmed up. So what we'll do is take give about a feeling of what a fourth of a cup of cheese. Don't have to be exact on everything. And I found that about a scoop of from the serving spoon of the bean mixture here will do really good. Alright. So now what you want to do with a burrito is first you fold the sides like this. You take one side, hold it up, kind of tuck it in there, then you roll it the rest of the way. So there's your bean burrito. So I'm going to do one more here, and then I'll quit and finish the rest of them up for our tray, and then we'll put them in the oven for you. Okay, so first we're going to heat up our tortilla here. So again, this helps with making the tortilla pliable. Just want to do a little bit on each side. Flip it at least once or twice. Alright. So, and again, we're going to take our cheese. It looks like do about a quarter of a cup. Then do our placing of our bean mixture on there. Then Fold the flaps over like that. First side over, tuck, and roll them over. So there's our burrito. Okay guys, so I'm going to finish rolling these up and getting them ready, and then we'll put it in the oven. Okay guys, we are down to the last one here. So we're going to go ahead and do it. Get it. So up here, sit that there. Alright. We'll put the last of the cheese here on there. Now we're going to scrape all the remaining bits of this bean mixture out and put it on here. Alright, just get it scraped on there. Alright, there we go guys. And again, fold your sides, take this side, fold over, tuck it, and then we roll it, put it on there. So, okay, there we go with our burritos guys. They're all done. So what we're going to do now is put these in the preheated oven, 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll put the Celsius below for those in other countries. So I use the Celsius scale. Okay, so we're gonna put these in there for 375 for 12 minutes. And we'll see you guys in 12 minutes, guys. So see you shortly. Okay, guys, here we go. Just look at that. All of them nice and done here. So let's go ahead and grab a burrito. As you can see, it's turned out real nice. So good fresh baked. So let's go ahead and give this a try. So again, this is a bean and cheese burrito. So we can just take it with our hands and eat it. So let's go ahead and do that, guys. That is good. Okay guys, if you can see it with it Freeman, there you got the cheese up here, and then you got the bean dip in the middle, or the bean mix, and oh boy, this just tastes really good, guys. Alright guys, well this is a bean and cheese burritos. I hope you guys give this a try. It's really easy, quick, makes a great meal for family, or you're gonna make it a great meal. Make it for if you're like me and have to make several meals in a day. This would just be really good to have several meals set up for the day, but it also makes a great meal for a family or a party. Alright guys, well, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Take time to comment down below what you think, especially if you try this out and like it. And alright guys, sorry I've been kind of missing a lot of videos here lately. I'm trying to get back on the schedule. I just got a lot of things going on in my life right now, but I am hoping to get back into getting the videos out more regularly, and that's what I want to do because I enjoy making these videos and I enjoy hearing from you guys as well. So alright guys, well I'm gonna finish eating these burritos up, and I hope you guys enjoy the day the Lord has given you, and well, I'm gonna finish this up now, and I'll see you guys on the next video.